Welcome to my YouTube tutorial videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.
Hello guys, so this is your Jan's DIY mom. So let's try this project by using this packaging tape and scissor and the other yellow ones tape also for my mannequin. So it's a marker. Anyway, so now I'm going to start while my daughter is watching me behind my back. Yeah, because she loves watching her mama. So now I'm going to start it. So yes, just watch. Actually, for those who's asking how I do it, is it working, this method? Actually, it's really works. This is my first time to try this, and it's really works. So yeah, just watch. See, I'm so fast. Yes, and try that mark. Yes, and I'm going to remove and cut it one by one and transfer it to that yellow plastic. It's a plastic folder. Yeah, I use this one so I can reuse it for the next project again. Yeah, so because if it's paper, it doesn't last long. At least this one, it lasts a little bit longer, as I think. Anyway, for me. Anyway, yes. And that was it. And then cut. And I'm ready to upcycle this old blazer. This blazer is actually really old already, like 2011 or 12. Yes. And yeah. Boom! Yes, magic. So let's upcycle this one and cut it now. Don't worry, this blazer, I used it long time ago, and I used up most of the fabric. I cut all the fabric and I used up for the string, for the strap, for the bias. Yeah, so I use up all. It's not like a waste. At least it's modern now again. I can use for next party this crop top that I made out of this blazer. Did I talk too much? I'm sorry if I talk too much. So this is the process. I'm cutting. See how fast I am. I need to be fast because my daughter, if she wake up, then I cannot do anything again. I think all the mom knows about this. So okay, now I'm going to pin it together. Boom. And now sew this. Boom! Magic. And now pin again and sew. Boom! Oh, diba magic? I'm good at magic. And boom! Okay, now pin again and put together. Ta-la! And then boom! Now I'm going to add my lining. Yes, it's the same. So yes, I'm going to unsew only. I'm not gonna sew the part that I'm going to attach the strap. Boom. Okay, now I'm going to inside out. La 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 la. Okay, now I'm going to cut the bias, the strap for the string. Yes, that's it. As you can see, and now sew again. Boom. So you can see the string and the strap. My strap, I decided to make like extraordinary. One is straight and one is I took the one color of the jacket. this is the back. Now I'm going to sew this together in that lining. Now I also unstitched the one for the strap. So now I'm going to flip it over inside out. No magic. Forget. Okay, now I'm pushing the edges so it's even and straight and nice looking. See, push, 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 push. Okay, now next curl. Boom. Now I'm going to add the strap and sew it together. See the difference? One is straight and this one is the color of my blazer. And now sew it. Ta-da! And now I'm going to add some pocket for my boning. Yeah, I'm just gonna add one boning. Yes, that part. I'm going to sew that and make a pocket there. Boom. Now I'm going to add my boning. See, as you see that, I'm going to attach this boning. So this is like a corset design because seems like it's on fashion right now. So now I'm going to attach the bias, the bottom, so it's nice and neat. And then sew it. Boom. Pin and sew curl. There you go. Now I'm going to add some grommet. It's like on the picture from this actress in the Philippines. Yes. Oh, this is so nice. My daughter and my son is all over me the whole time because they love watching mama. They love to annoy mama. Of course, I need to watch because they like using the hammer. You touch whatever I'm touching. So now I'm done. So I'm going to attach this string. And in the end of the string, I'm going to add also the beads. I don't really know what you call it, but I called it beads at the end. So it looks nice. It looks nicer. So, yeah, you see how fast. The one on the right side, you see the 4 pieces there? I'm going to attach that in the end. That is the beads that I'm talking about. Voila, it's finished. And this is the magic. 1, 2, bye! Oh, there you go. This is it, my finished product. I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Babush. Love you guys.